How's it going, everyone? This is the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Control, and if you're wondering what's just inside the box, that's what we're going to show you today. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We get a little pamphlet for get free in-garage delivery with your smart control. So it's just how to hook that up. And this is the device itself. So that looks like there is a little light on there, which is really cool. I didn't know that. And there is 3 buttons on here as well. And then we can see how it connects on the back, which you install this onto your wall. That's the plate. And then this will snap right into that plate. So that's nice. Let's have a look at this plate itself. Just a standard plastic plate, and there's 2 screw holes, which I assume they're going to give you some screws for that as well. We'll check inside of here. So we got first the power cable right here, booklet here, and then right in here we do have those screws that I was talking about. We got the drywall screws, and it looks like we've got some sticky pads here as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, they are sticky pads, so if you want to use the sticky pads instead, you can do that. And then this is the sensor that goes onto the garage door that we have right here. So go ahead and take that piece off, and you can see it's got a little button on there, and there's your sensor. So I'm assuming you put that onto the garage door. We do have the battery built in, so we can just pull this little tab right here to get that battery activated. And then on the inside, there's just some warning instructions and all that good stuff. But other than that, that's everything that's included in the box.